we're back with Willie Will and Reagan
Stryker.
and the Stryker.
So we're gonna unbox.
Are you ready, Will? All right, Will's ready. So let's show him the back of the box here real quick. Here's the side Stryker and the back.
And that's the military.
Let's see the performance description. Let's see. APC cruises forward. Hi! With glittering stars and whistles, releases ground spinners, and it's got green guns, turrets, the whole 9 yards. Let's go ahead and unbox this baby.
Let's pull it out. So it actually rolls? Yeah,
I think so.
All right. And you light it here.
Okay.
Right there on the green.
So we've got, let's show them what it looks like here. So you got the turrets, you've got
the
shields on the back. I bet those will spin. And
Jack, be careful,
let me see what the rollability is on it. It looks pretty good. Okay, so let's go over here.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Stay here.
Okay.
Be careful.
We gotta back up, guys. All right, you ready, Will?
Back up.
All right, Will's lighting this one.
Back up. It's kind of hard.
I know.
Get on there.
It's okay.
I think it's run out.
Let's do it this way. So that way it can go down if it wants to. Okay, there we go. All right, here we go.
Good job. Good job.
All right, it's going. All right, send off the disc, off the back.
We're totally going to get that next year, Dad, right?
Here go the turrets. It turned on us.
We're totally going to get that next year.
There it goes. It's going down. Nice.
We're going to get that next year.
Oh, that was a good one. All right, guys, give us a thumbs up and a comment below if you like the Stryker.
Yeah.
Saturn missiles up next. Bye, guys.